Parent Project Hierarchy in Odoo. At first, you need to log into your account and click on the Projects tab. You will be directed to the project's control panel, which houses all of the projects. You will be redirected to the project information page when you click the three dots to access the settings button. All the information about the projects, including the name of the tasks, parent project, descriptions, sub-projects, and more, will be provided here. You can switch between Kanban and hierarchy view by clicking the icons. Clicking the hierarchy icon displays a list of all the projects arranged hierarchically. Additionally, each project's associated tasks and sub-projects are visible to you. Additionally, you can look for projects in the search bar. Examine the tasks and details associated with each sub-project in the hierarchy view. Sub-projects can be effortlessly moved across projects with a simple drag and drop. Join our channel to see more videos about Odoo.